Welcome to the hardcore vision of intelligent steel manufacturing. As a world-leading supplier of turnkey metallurgical engineering projects, SMG is committed to customizing cost-effective turnkey solutions for steel production lines for every customer. In this episode, we combine 3D animation with real footage to take you on an immersive tour of the complete production line from steelmaking to hot-rolled coils. The shot begins. Heavy-duty material handlers operate with precision to efficiently gather scrap steel into the large charging basket. As the charging basket tilts, scrap steel is poured into the electric arc furnace. Meanwhile, key alloying elements such as silicon and nickel are accurately added. The furnace lid closes, and graphite electrodes instantly generate high temperatures of thousands of degrees Celsius, melting the scrap steel into flowing molten steel amid intense flames. The red-hot molten steel is then transferred to the refining furnace. Impurities are thoroughly removed and purified here, and the chemical composition of molten steel is adjusted to achieve ultimate precision and stability. The continuous caster steadily discharges slabs with regular shape and dense texture, fully demonstrating SMG's outstanding capabilities in supplying continuous casting equipment. With dazzling sparks, the fully automatic flame cutter cuts precisely, dividing the continuous slabs into standard size. The heavy overhead crane then lifts the slabs steadily and transports them to the large array of reheating furnaces. As the 3D perspective moves forward, the slabs enter the walking beam reheating furnace steadily, tempered by the extremely uniform flames inside the furnace. The steel is precisely heated to the optimal rolling temperature. The heated slabs first pass through the high-pressure descaling system. Powerful water jets instantly remove the surface scale. The descaled slabs proceed straight into the roughing mill train. Under powerful repeated rolling, the slab thickness is rapidly reduced, forming intermediate slabs with uniform dimensions. Simulated by 3D animation, the hot intermediate slabs feed steadily into the coil box and are neatly coiled and overlapped. This temporary coiling for heat preservation effectively retains internal heat of the steel and completely eliminates temperature disparity between the strip head and tail. The strip then moves swiftly into the finishing mill train. Under high precision and powerful rolling, the strip becomes thinner and longer with an extremely dense internal structure and a mirror-smooth surface. This sophisticated forming process fully demonstrates SMG's top-tier strength in delivering complete sets of equipment. The finished strip travels like a fire dragon into the Laminar cooling zone. It cools down steadily under precisely controlled water flow, fully locking in the excellent physical properties of the steel. The strip proceeds into the coiling zone. Under high-speed and powerful coiling action, the strip is one tightly layer upon layer and instantly formed into large hot-rolled coils with precise dimensions and flawless shape. The remarkable transformation from scrap steel to hot-rolled coils is a powerful reflection of SMG's comprehensive strength as a global general contractor for metallurgical turnkey projects. Capable of delivering one-stop solutions for metallurgical projects, SMG can provide you with professional, reliable and cost-effective complete hot rolling production lines. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.